Alright, welcome back guys to another new video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect a 4-pin relay to a light bulb. So if you want to connect a light on a car or on or anything, this is the way you can connect it. So if you want to connect a on, it will be the same procedure. So I'm going to show you now how to connect it. So let's get started. So first, this is the relay. It is raining now, so you will hear the rain falling outside. So this is the 4-pin relay I'm going to use. I removed this from a fuse box at the junkyard. So I'm going to show you how to connect this relay to this bulb. So this is a bulb from our car, low beam bulb. It's plug in like this. So I'm going to show you guys how to connect it. So first, you're gonna connect one of the wire from the bulb to the pin that says 30.
What do you mean this?
And then I'm gonna tape it.
What do you mean with tape?
So now I'm taping it so it don't shorts out. As you can see, it's got 30. Pin 30. And then I'm going to connect. This is a real simple step to take. So I'm going to connect now 86 and 87. I'm going to connect them together.
Wall.
Twist them together like this. So this is the grounds. So I'm just using these two wires from the plug in my car, from the cigarette lighter. So this is the grounds right here, so I'm going to connect it like this. Just to show you guys how to connect it. And then I'm going to tape it also. So now I attach 86 and 87 with each other. 86 and 87. Go to the grounds. Go to the grounds. And now this is a live positive. I'm going to connect to the light. So this is the main, come from the power source on the battery. And when I touch it like this, it clicks. So right here, the connect a switch in between. So this is a switch right here. So if I want to connect a switch, I would connect it like this. Then I can switch it on and off. On and off. So from the main, that is positive, to the switch. So if I switch it off, nothing. And now I switch it on back and touch it on it. It will light like this. So if when I connect the two wires so the switch can light up, so it connect the both, so you get a light on the switch. So you can see it light up. So if I place it like this, it will work. On and off. So guys, that's how you connect a relay to a light bulb. This is a relay, 4-pin. Remember, you put these, so you put this is 85, so you put 85, connect a switch between 85 and the positive terminal, and when you touch like this, you get that click from the relay. That's how it light the bulb. Guys, that's how you connect a relay, a 4-pin relay. So first, remember, this is a 4-pin relay. So you connect for the grounds. You have 86 and 87 for the grounds, and 30 go to the light bulb, one of the terminal on the light bulb. This one go to the switch, which is 85. Connect to the switch. That's 85 right there. We go to the switch, so when you press it like this, so if you put a switch between it and connect it, close the circuit and light the bulb. You can hear the click. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.